Welcome back, everyone. The panels have been freshly painted in the iconic Kawasaki colors, and right now they're rocking that sleek look without any decals. Now, why the missing stickers? Well, there's a couple reasons. Firstly, the paint was still curing, so we didn't want to rush that decal application. Secondly, we got some minor imperfections we need to address. Before diving into machining the right engine bracket, I'm doing a check to ensure all components align. Ideally, we should have done this earlier, but hey, the fairings were still getting their makeover. In this video, I'll be fitting the side panels, fuel tank, and the front fairing to figure out the precise bracket dimensions. I didn't have to install the gas tank to take the proper measurements for the front right engine bracket. But yeah, I had to. Yeah. Judging the current situation, it appears I'll require an additional supply of cardboard. This bracket demands multiple layers of cutting, where accuracy is paramount. My measurements, however, seem to be flirting with the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Precision is apparently more of a suggestion than a rule in this case. It appears that I need a piece of aluminum approximately 51 millimeters thick. And what do you know? I just happen to have one. First, we'll need a small box. Embarking on a new design often presents its difficulties. Yes, it's important to remember the ample supply of cardboard at our disposal. A notable advantage of cardboard is its capacity to retain marks when pressed onto another surface. The cardboard's versatility allows to create elaborate designs and utilizing tape to securely attach new sections to the involving structure. Once the desired shape is completed, we need to transfer it to one piece of cardboard. Now, we need to cut down the aluminum block to a machinable size. Now to transfer the finished cardboard design onto the material needed to be machined. I don't drink, but I do see two lines. I guess I'll be okay if I cut between them. Blue has expressed his delight by anointing the part with a droplet of oil. Yeah. These are genuine Kawasaki parts. And now back to milling. Who am I kidding? And I'm back. After the winter months, any sunny warm day should be a riding day. I'm sure we can all agree to that. Blue and I will be back next week with a very complicated and completed bracket. Stay safe and remember, always hug your pet.